this is Marco, and in this video I'm going to show you how to automatically convert OBS video output to MP4. But before I begin with this video, if you are interested in Shopify, you can get it for only $1 your first month if you use the link in the description. So basically what you have to do is go to File, and from File you want to go to Settings. Now that you are in Settings, you want to navigate to Output, so it's right over here, the Output section. Now I can't change anything since I'm recording at the moment, but you see this recording format that I'm keeping. So basically you would click on here and you would click on MP4. And now every time you record anything in OBS, it's automatically going to be saved in MP4, and you don't have to worry about it being in the MTV format style. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe. If you're still having some issues, let me know what is the problem in the comments down below.